আসসালামু আলাইকুম এভরিওয়ান, আপনারা দেখতেছেন ন্যাশনাল ইউটিউব। আর আমরা আজকে যেতেছি দোহা কর্নেশে। আর সবচেয়ে বেশি এক্সাইটমেন্টের বিষয়টা হচ্ছে আমরা যাবো আজকে মেট্রো ট্রেনে চড়বো। তো অনেকটা ইচ্ছা ছিল যে মেট্রো ট্রেনে যাব, তো আজকে সেই চান্সটা হয়েছে। আমরা যাব, আমাদের সাথে আছে শরীফ, সে হচ্ছে ব্রাহ্মণবাড়িয়ার, আর সে হচ্ছে আমাদের এক বাইক না হবিগঞ্জের, আর আসতেছে আমার বাইক। আর এই তো আমি তো আছি এখানে। তো সেই বন্ধু ওয়েট করেন আমাদের সাথে তখন, এবং ভিডিওটি এনজয় করুন। Go subscribe.
تمام.
ايوه
100 على هنا نروح كورنيش.
علينا وين نروح؟
كورنيش بحر.
They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
আর এটা হচ্ছে টস টাওয়ার, বিলাজু, যেটা বলে বিলাজু। আর এটা হচ্ছে 2020 বিল্ডিং, এটা 2022, এটা হচ্ছে নতুন, যেটা ইন ফ্রন্ট অফ।
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
আমার কথা বুঝো, আমার কথা বুঝো। এই যে কার্ডটা হইলো তোমার, এখান থেকে তোমার এটা যদি এখন মনে করো রুমে গিয়ে দেখো, যদি চাই মনা ইউজ করতে পারো, যদি চাই পাইয়ে ইউজ করতো তাও করতে পারো। এক কথা, এটা তোমার নাম নাই এটার মধ্যে। কার্ড নিয়ে পড়ছে বেজালের মধ্যে, কার্ডটা নিয়ে বেজালের মধ্যে, কার্ড নাম নাই কিছু, কিন্তু ইউনিক সিস্টেম বলতে এই কার্ডটা যে কোনো মানুষ ইউজ করতে পারে। আর আসলে আমি সেটা বুঝাইতে পারতেছি না আমাদের এই মামুরে, এটা কোনো নয় বুঝাইতে পারতেছি না যে এই কার্ডের সমস্যা নাই, কিন্তু এরপরে কথা বলতেছে বেশি, প্রশ্ন করতেছে বেশি যে এই কার্ডের মধ্যে পাসওয়ার্ড নাই, নাম নাই, এই না সেই না। কিছু বলবো না, এই ছেলে কোথা থেকে আসতো কনফিউজ। এই দেখুন কাটতে নিয়ে এখনো কনফিউজ, এখানে কাটে নিয়ে এখনো সে কনফিউজ। এটার মধ্যে আমি কনফিউজ মধ্যে
things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
তুমি কি শিওর নেই যে আমরা যেতেছিলাম কি মধ্যে? এখন আমরা আসলে Souq Waqifের মধ্যে আমি তো আসি নাই, দিস মাই ফার্স্ট টাইম। সুন্দর করে আসলাম, দিনে আসতাম আসলে
আমাদের মামাকে
কিন্তু আসলে ভুল হয়ে গেছে। আমরা রাতে
বাহিরে আসে অনেকক্ষণ লেটে আর এসে বলছে আমাদের সামনে উনি খাওয়া না খায় নাই, আমরা তো শাওয়ার করে নাই।
এদিকে না আসলে আমরা তো আসলে দেশে কাজ করার জন্য, ব্লগ বানানোর জন্য আসি নাই।
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
Only God wants
it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, I'm living up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. You no cap, only got one, so you better go live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, I'm living up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. You no cap, only got one, so you better go live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling. Keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling. You keep bluffing, you've got nothing. I'll keep hustling.